Good day or good evening. Buongiorno, buonasera. This is Larry Aiello. So I'm here in a town called Guatapé, outside of Medellin, Colombia. This is the town of 1,000 colors. It's supposed to be the second most colorful town in the world, someone figured out. And when we're talking about colors in Italian, they fall into three groups when they are adjectives describing the nouns that they're supposed to describe. They are one group of colors. The color must match the noun that it's describing in both singular versus plural and versus feminine versus masculine. And then there's another group that just is gender neutral. It's just singular or plural. And then there's another group that's just unique. They're not either, doesn't have to match either scenario. So let's look at some colors here while we are here. There's 1,000 colors. I don't know them all. It's hard to describe some of these colors here. But this one right here would be gialla, yellow. Here the X would be blue. The sheep is bianca. And over here we have this, say this is orange, arancione. Right there, and right above it is verde, the green is verde. And some more colors here maybe I could pick out for you. We'll finish off on this bench here. We might have like a sky blue azzurro. That's a light green verde. We have rosso, giallo. Maybe that one might be maybe like an orange arancione. Okay, everyone, this is Larry Aiello. If you want to learn more Italian, then go to the link below and you can check out my course on Italian, and also have links to my other courses as well. Okay, everyone, ciao, ciao.